ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अस्तु। नमस्कार।
This is Prashant. I have a question before we move forward. Like right now I'm in India and I've bought all the books like from Mumbai and from Sanskrit Bharati. Like for the second or the third course, do we have to buy any more books from Sanskrit Bharati? Because right now I can buy, because later it will be difficult for me to buy anything.
Okay, let's chat on Signal after the call, Mahodaya.
Okay, thank you.
Namaskaram, Param Mahodaya.
Namaste, Sri Vidya Mahodaya.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste, Meera Mahodaya.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar. Any questions on last week's topic? Any questions about the homework?
Yeah.
To Pruchya to Vijay Sundara Mahodaya.
Yeah. There are 2 points I want to make. One thing is the homework, the Bhashya Pravesha is very good. I found it a very good practice because, from the Janaka to Janani, Janani to Agraja, Agraja to this. So, how you change, how the sentence changes with the gender as well as the, family members. So, which is very good, I found it. And the other thing is this, the other homework, AP, I'm still struggling to get the meaning of the words. So I'm still waiting to complete the homework because of that.
Oh, okay. Post your question on Signal, Mahodaya. Anybody who looks at it will be able to answer it.
Okay. Because I am supposed to make the sentence out of this. So, change.
Yes and no change. So please ask, the Signal group is meant for asking questions about the homework also.
Okay.
So people may not give you the answer because everybody is supposed to figure out the answer by themselves, but definitely they will give you enough hints. They will help you enough to help you get to the answer.
Okay.
And that applies to everybody. You should feel free to ask questions about the homework. You shouldn't struggle by yourself. So there is no expectation that you will know every single word in every single homework. We try not to give homework that involves new words, but it's practically not possible all the time. So yeah, if new words are stumping you, then please ask us. Is the part about writing the essay, is that helpful to you all or no?
It is helpful.
It is helpful, but we might be making a lot of mistakes. I don't know.
That is the expectation.
Yeah, I write it in Hindi and then translate it into Sanskrit, whatever I know.
As long as you don't write it in English and then do the translation, I think you are. Whatever mother tongue you are comfortable in, start with that, convert that into Sanskrit. Over a period of time, you will directly write it in Sanskrit. That's the whole purpose behind the these kinds of questions. So doing the exercise at the end of each chapter is fine. It's to emphasize the concept. What is for, what is from, what is to, and all that. That is good. What is it in Ekavachana, Bahuvachana? All that is good. But unless you actually apply it in your own sentences, it will not sink into the mind. So going forward, we will have a lot more such homework. So if it is a problem, tell me right now.
We'll learn in that process. But I had confusion like mera, mujhe, main, all these when I converted into Sanskritam, whether it's mama or aham, so like slight confusions in some sentences I had, but I wrote whatever I thought.
We haven't done the Ashmad Shabda, Mama, Asmad and all that. So for such things, you should ask questions or signals. I will definitely help out.
Thank you. Dhanyawada.
And the other thing is Sambhashana. I really want to request all of you sincerely, when you answer in the class or when you ask a question, at least one word or two words in Sanskrit. Don't use things like gender and tense and all of that. At least those words use Sanskrit words. There is a practical reason also. When you go to the next level, the teacher will not talk to you in English. Absolutely not. In Lata class, zero English. Except rare circumstances, the teacher will not speak to you in English. And even if you respond in English, he will say, I don't know English. You have to speak in Sanskrit. So, level 2 is harder than level 1. Yes? So, do you want to go through the struggle of trying to speak in Sanskrit now when things are easier, or at that point when things are harder? You decide. Astu.
No.
किञ्चित् प्रयत्नं करोतु. न्यूनातिन्यूनं वक्तुं प्रयत्नं करोतु. एकं शब्दम् अपि सम्यक् अस्ति. सर्वं वाक्यं संस्कृते वक्तुं किञ्चित् कष्टमस्ति. अहम् अङ्गीकरोमि. परन्तु वाक्ये एकं वा द्विपदं संस्कृते प्रयत्नं करोतु.
Astu.
See, when you first started writing sentences, you struggled. But right now, you are mostly getting it right. 80%, 85%, 90% it is correct. So same way, you will struggle initially with speaking, but over a period of time, it will become easy. So let us start today. Today is a very good day to start speaking in Sanskrit.
अस्तु महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
Astu.
अन्य प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? आरम्भं कुर्मः वा?
Nasti.
नास्ति वा? आरम्भं कुर्मः. मम सङ्गणकं दृश्यते वा? Can you see my screen?
Astu.
आं महोदय.
दृश्यते महोदय.
अस्तु
महोदय.
गतकक्षायां वयं कस्मै शब्दस्य पठनं कृतवन्तः. एकवारं अवलोकनं कुर्मः. Let us review what we studied in कस्मै. पुंलिङ्गे बालकः, एकवचने बालकाय, बहुवचने बालकेभ्यः. रामः रामाय रामेभ्यः, भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकाय भिक्षुकेभ्यः. स्त्रीलिङ्गे आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गे बालिका बालिकायै बालिकाभ्यः, महिला महिलायै महिलाभ्यः, जननी ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग जनन्यै जननीभ्यः, पार्वती पार्वत्यै पार्वतीभ्यः. नपुंसकलिङ्गं तु पुंलिङ्गसमानमेव अस्ति. यन्त्रं यन्त्राय यन्त्रेभ्यः.
The earlier screen, there was some mistake, I think.
आम् महोदय
स्त्रीलिङ्गे
पार्वती
पार्वत्यै लेखनेभ्यः
पार्वतीभ्यः इट् शुड् बि पार्वतीभ्यः आम्
That's all.
सत्यं सत्यं टैपिङ्ग् मिस्टेक् नपुंसकलिङ्गे यन्त्रं यन्त्राय यन्त्रेभ्यः क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणाय क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः मन्दिरं मन्दिराय मन्दिरेभ्यः so kasmai is when we want to convey the sense of for somebody adhuna idanim vayam tasmat ekavachane pathamah so kasmat when we so kasmai is when you want to give to somebody tasmat is from somebody or something astu विजय सुंदर महोदय प्रथमं वाक्यं पठतु
अस्तु महोदय फलं वृक्षात् पतति
वृक्षात्
वृक्षात् पतति
अलङ्कार फलं वृक्षात् पतति वदतु
fruit falls from the tree
fruit falls from the tree vrikshat means from the tree astu kavita mahoday द्वितीयं वाक्यं पठतु
बालिका जनकात् संगणकं प्राप्नोति the girl obtains the computer from the father
बालिका जनकात् संगणकं प्राप्नोति जनकात् is from father गतकक्षायां वयं किं दृष्टवन्तः जनकः when the father gives to the daughter what did we say kavita mahoday gives for the daughter
for janakaya
or balikayai so this is the reverse of that relationship so the girl gets it from the father ramu mahoday
भरतः रामात् पादुकान् स्वीकरोति Bharata accepts padukas from Rama
अस्तु भरतः रामात् पादुकान् स्वीकरोति from Rama so वृक्षः वृक्षात् जनकः जनकात् रामः रामात् एकवचने प्रश्नः
Anu Mahodaya, previous slide, just see Prapnoti spelling, is it correct?
अस्तु I will correct it Mahoday.
It should not be ta, no? Pa and na, right? Okay. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Typing dosha अस्ति अत्र अस्तु प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा अस्तु यथा गतकक्षायां कृतवन्तः अभ्यासं कुर्मः अनुपमा महोदय प्रथमम् अभ्यासं करोतु
आं महोदय युवकः जनकात् औषधं स्वीकरोमि
स्वीकरोमि
Oh, that's aham. Okay. Aham jan. Okay, let me not skip. युवकः जनकः जनकात् धनं याचति
युवकः जनकात् धनं याचति अर्थः कः
the boy takes money from the father
asks money from the father
ask okay
yachati is gives the opposite of that is yachati yachanam So another word for beggar is yachakaha, right? Or one who asks. It doesn't need to be a beggar, but yachakaha, one who asks. So the boy asked money from the father. Asked. Hemanti Mahoday.
Okay. Namaste.
Namaste.
Balika ग्रंथात् अभ्यासं करोति.
उत्तमम्.
Balika studies from the book.
Balika granthat abhyasam karoti. The girl reads from the book or does the exercise from the book. Uttamam. Bhavani Mahoday.
अहं वैद्यात् औषधं स्वीकरोमि.
उत्तमम्. अहं वैद्यात् औषधं स्वीकरोमि. अर्थः कः?
I accept medicine from the doctor.
Accept or take medicine from the doctor. अस्तु. प्रशांत महोदय.
It is then
Prashant Mahodaya, I cannot hear you.
Yes. I'm just trying. Bhavati Jankat Sanganakam Swikarotu.
अस्तु. भवती जनकात् संगणकं स्वीकरोतु. अर्थः कः?
You take the computer from the father.
अस्तु. उत्तमम्. सुरेंद्र महोदय.
भिक्षुकः धनिकात् धनं याचति.
भिक्षुकः धनिकात् धनं याचति. अर्थः?
Beggar takes money from rich person.
सत्यं. उषा महोदय, अन्तिमं करोतु.
वयं स्मः प्रकाशम्. वयं रात्रि समये दण्डदीपः प्रकाशं प्राप्नुमः.
So what does Dandadipaha become when you want to say from?
From, Dandadipat.
Sampurnam Vakyam?
Vayam Ratri Samaye Dandadipat Prakasham Prapnumaha.
Uttamam. Arthaha kaha?
We, in the night, use Dandadipaha, is it torch?
No, that's tube light.
Light. So we obtain light from the tube light.
At the night time. Satyam. Prashnaha santi va?
Sorry, Bhanuvaday. Dandadipa artha tube light.
Mहोदय. Dandadipaha इत्युक्ते tube light.
Okay.
Astu.
Torch is torch, then Hastadipaha, is it?
Torch light is Hastadipaha. Satyam.
Dhanyavad.
प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अस्तु. So just like the other form, this also has a question form. from whom or from what. And for Pumlinga Ekavachana, it will be Kasmat. So, Phalam Kasmat Patati, from what or where or whom does the tree, does the fruit fall from? Vrukshat Patati, from the tree. Balika Kasmat Sanganakam Prapnoti, from whom or what does the girl obtain the computer? Janakat, from the father. Similarly, Bharataha Kasmat Padukan Svikarati, from whom does Bharataha accept or take Padukas? From Rama, Ramat. Astu. Prashnaha santi va?
In Hindi, it is say, like kahan, kisse.
Ram se Bharat Paduk, whatever you say, leta hai.
Dhanyavad.
Here, Padukan means single only. No.
Bahuvachanam. It should be Dvivachanam, but since we didn't study Dvivachanam, let us assume he took many pairs of shoes from Rama. I know it is not correct. But
Okay, just take it. Okay, no problem.
Padukam Ekavachanam, Karmapadam, Padukan Bahuvachanam.
एक प्रश्न for jalam karmapadam plural bahuvachanam, is it jalani?
Jalam napumsakalingam asti.
Is it just so jalam is still, no, I thought maybe jalam bahuvachana is also jalam, no?
No. Ekavachanam jalam, bahuvachanam jalani. Phalam phalani, jalam jalani.
Jalani. Okay. Astu. Dhanyawada.
Vijay Mahodaya, prashna asti va?
No, so Padukani, should it become? No.
No, Padukaha, Pumlinga Shabdam.
Oh, Pulinga, okay.
Astu. Agre Saramaha.
Dhanyawad.
Idanim Strilingam Kurmaha. Sukanya Mahodaya. Prathamam.
Nalikayaha jalam agachati. Water comes from the tap.
Nalika yaha jalam agachati. Nalikayah. Nalika becomes Nalikayah. Rachna Mahodaya.
Sakhi Mahilayaha Chatram Swikaroti. Friend takes umbrella from the woman.
Mahilayaha Chatram Swikaroti. Mahila becomes Mahilayaha. In the last class, we saw the other way around. Do you remember that, Rachna Mahodaya? Mahila. Sakhi gives the umbrella to the Mahila.
Yes.
Mahodaya, of Nalika also is same, no? Nalikayah.
Ekam Nimisha Mahodaya. Rachna Mahodaya is trying
Mahilayan. No, it's Strilinga. Sorry.
Atra Pashyatu. Mahila.
Mahilayai. Mahilayai. Am I right?
Mahodaya. Sakhi.
Mahilayai. Chatram.
Dadat.
This is giving dadat.
Dadat, giving. Yes, Chati dadati. Meera Mahodaya, prashna asti va?
Mahilayah of Mahila Also is same, no?
Correct. I'm glad you caught it. So, Mahilayah, we studied it as of Mahila or Mahilas or belonging to Mahila. So, both the of form and the from form, it is the same. Mahilayah can mean from the woman or of the woman. So the obvious question comes is, how do we know what meaning to take? It comes only from context. So we would probably never use Mahilayah just as one word by itself. We would always use it as part of a sentence. So the sentence will tell you whether you want to use the from sense or of sense. Pratama Mahoday.
महोदय, धन्यवादः.
अस्तु. रञ्जनी महोदय.
पुत्री जनन्याः कङ्कणं प्राप्नोति. The daughter obtains bangle from mother. So jananyaha is from mother.
उत्तमम्. पुत्री जनन्याः कङ्कणं प्राप्नोति. जनन्याः is from mother. उत्तमम्.
So question Mahodaya, one question Mahodaya. So T is obtain. If I have to say I get, what would that be?
You tell. Aham.
Kankanam. Asti is it's there.
So prapnoti, you have to convert it into a form suitable for myself. Aham.
Prapnomi.
Uttamam. Aham prapnomi. Aham jananyaha kankanam prapnomi. I obtain the bangle from mother. Uttamam. That's actually a great way of revising the same concept. Yeah, put it in aham and put it in vayam. So vayam, what will it be, Mahoday, Ranjini Mahoday? If it is vayam?
Vayam is T, right? Same thing, prapnoti. So aham is me. Maha. Prapno. Maha. Okay.
Vayam prapnamaha, aham prapnomi.
Prapnumaha.
Prapnamaha.
Thank you.
Satyam. Bhavan. If it is Bhavan.
Bhavan, Bhavati will be.
You obtain it from mother. Your Agnya Prarthana. You're asking, you obtain it. Or you're commanding that person. If it is, if you want to say you read, what will you say?
Patati.
Saha patati. He reads. If you want to tell your son or daughter or somebody, you read the book, you do the homework, something like that.
Yeah. I don't remember at all.
Who wants to?
Patatu.
Patatu. So if it is astu. Ranjini Mahoday, if it is patatu, what will this become?
Pathantu.
For prapnoti.
Okay. Prapnotu.
Uttamam. Prapnotu. You obtain the bangle from the mother.
Okay.
Uttamam. That is the best way of tying in the various concepts you have learned. Uttamam. Harsha Mahoday.
महिला नद्याः जलम् आनयति. The woman brings water from the river.
पुनः पठतु एतत् पदम्, एतं पदम्.
महिला नद्याः जलम् आनयति.
नद्याः, महिला नद्याः जलम् आनयति. The woman brings water from the river. उत्तमम्.
I have a question.
प्रश्नः अस्ति वा?
Yes.
पृच्छतु.
If I say Jananyaha Kankanam Kapatiyam Asti. So is that the right uses of Jananya, as Meera Mahodaya said that it's off and also
Jananyaha Kankanam Kapatikayam Asti. What does that mean?
Mother's bangles are in the cupboard.
In the cupboard. In that case, Jananyaha becomes of the mother.
Okay. Dhanyavadam.
You can also say, put the mother's bangle in the cupboard. Take the bangles from the mother and put it in the cupboard. How would you say that?
Take the bangles from mother.
From
take.
Or obtain.
Oh, are you talking about prapnoti? Is that prapnotu?
Prapnotu. I'm just trying to, okay, we've already covered from mother. So forget it. We'll do a different exercise. Forget the question.
Okay.
Any other question? Astu. So Nalika, Nalikayah, Mahila, Mahilayah, Janani, Jananyah, Nadi, Nadyah. Astu. Narayanan Mahodaya.
पुष्पं लतायाः पतति.
पुनः वदतु महोदय.
पुष्पं लतायाः पतति.
अर्थः कः?
Flower fell from the creeper.
Fell?
The flower falls from the creeper.
Falls from the creeper. We haven't done Bhutakala yet.
Okay.
Meera Mahodaya.
Rugnaha Vaidyashalayaah Jalam Pibati.
Okay. Is there a better sentence?
Vaidyashalaya. From the Vaidyashalaya. Agachati.
Astu. Rugnaha Vaidyashalayaah agachati. Arthah kaha?
The patient comes from the Vaidya, that is from the hospital.
Comes from the hospital. Uttama. Viraj Mahodaya.
अहं काश्याः आगच्छामि.
उत्तमम्. अहं काश्याः आगच्छामि. अर्थः?
I come from Kashi.
I come from Kashi. So observe one thing. In English, Kashi would be name of a place, so that would be neutral gender. But in Sanskrita, Kashi ikaranta strilinga padam asti. So just because it's the name of a place doesn't mean that it has to be a Napumsakalinga. So Kashi, Ayodhya, they're all Strilinga Shabda.
Astu Mahoday.
Chaitra Mahoday.
Mahodaya. Bhavati jananyaha haram swikarotu.
Uttamam. Arthaha?
You accept haram, maybe a flower garland from mother.
Astu. Vijay Menon Mahoday.
Sorry. Kakaha. Okay. Kakaha nalikayaha jalam pibati.
Uttamam. Kakaha nalikayaha jalam pibati. Arthaha?
Crow drinks water from the tap. Is it Nalika?
Correct. Uttamam.
So
From the tap.
From the tap.
Somebody posted a story on Signal a few days, right? A few days back about the crow opening the tap by itself and drinking the water. So this is from that. Srividya Mahoday.
शिशुः कूप्याः दुग्धं पिबति.
शिशुः कूप्याः दुग्धं पिबति. अर्थः?
The child is drinking milk from the bottle.
सत्यं सत्यं. प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अस्तु. So for Strilinga, the Prashna form will be Kasya. Kasyaha is from whom or from what. So Kasyaha jalam agacchati, from what or from whom is the water coming? Nalikayaha jalam agacchati. Pakhi Kasyaha chatram swikaroti, from whom is the friend accepting or getting the umbrella? Pakhi mahilayaha. Same way, Putri Kasyaha Kankanam Prapnoti, from whom is the daughter taking or accepting the bangle? Jananyaha, from the mother. Balika Kasyaha Jalamanayati, from what or from whom or from is the girl bringing the water? Nadyaha, from the river. अस्तु. स्त्रीलिङ्गविषये कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? नास्ति. अस्तु. नपुंसकलिङ्गं पश्यामः. Just like other forms, Napumsakalinga also follows, Napumsakalinga follows the same pattern as Pumlinga. Vrukshah becomes Vruksha, Janaka becomes Janaka, Ramaha becomes Ramat in Pumlinga. In Napumsakalinga also it becomes same thing, at in Ekavachana. So whose turn is it? Sumitra Mahoday.
Vanaraha vanat agacchati. Monkey comes from the forest.
So Vanaraha vanat agacchati. Vanam becomes vanat. Just like Ramaha in Pumlinga becomes Ramat, in Napumsakalinga Vanam becomes Vanat. Sandeep Mahoday.
Falat bijani prapnumah. We obtain.
एतत् पदं पुनः पठतु.
Falat.
Falat.
Falat. Falat. Falat, correct?
Ma'am, PHA, Falat, not FALA.
Not Falat. Falat bijani prapnumah. We obtain seeds from the fruit.
Satyam. Phalam, phalat, vanam, vanat. Ramesh Mahodaya. रमेश महोदय अस्ति वा? You may be talking on mute, Ramesh Mahodaya.
Is it for me?
No. Vedartham Ramesh Mahodaya. Astu. All right, Bhagya Mahodaya, you do it.
Balakaha क्रीडांगणात् गृहं गच्छति. Boy goes from the playground. Or goes home from the playground.
बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणात् गृहं गच्छति. क्रीडाङ्गणं. So वनं वनात्, फलं फलात्, क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणं.
क्षम्यतां महोदय.
रमेश महोदय.
विलम्बे अन्तर्जाल विलम्बे अस्ति.
चिन्ता मास्तु, प्रथमम् अभ्यासं करोतु.
धन्यवादः. भक्तः मन्दिरात् गृहम् आगच्छति.
उत्तमं. भक्तः मन्दिरात् गृहम् आगच्छति. अर्थः?
The devotee has come from the temple to house.
अस्तु.
धन्यवादः.
Did everybody get a turn? Please speak up. I can't hear you.
I haven't gotten it.
Who is that?
Madhuri.
Madhuri Mahoday. द्वितीयं करोतु.
बालिका पुस्तकात् पाठं पठति.
उत्तमं. बालिका पुस्तकात् पाठं पठति. अर्थः?
The girl reads from the book.
Reads a lesson from the book.
Reads the lesson.
अस्तु. Did we cover everybody? प्रशांत महोदय. प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा? अस्तु. विजयसुन्दर महोदय. विजयसुन्दरम.
सः विद्यालयात् सः ग्रन्थालयात्
प्रत्यागच्छति. रिटर्न्स्.
पाठं पठति.
पुस्तकात् पाठं पठति is more appropriate. ग्रन्थालयात् पाठं पठति is also okay. A little bit I mean not more appropriate. प्रत्यागच्छति. Returns. आगच्छति. प्रत्यागच्छति. सः ग्रन्थालयात् प्रत्यागच्छति. He returns from the library. अस्तु.
Bhanu Mahoday, can I write one of the sentences?
We are going in an order, Mahoday. We are turn this. We are turn this. Kavita Mahoday.
छात्रः लोकयानात् अवतरति.
अर्थः कः?
Student comes down from bus.
उत्तमं. छात्रः लोकयानात् अवतरति. The student gets down from the bus. उत्तमं. राममहोदय.
वयं रात्रिसमये प्रकाशं प्राप्नुमः.
कुतः? कस्मात्?
नक्षत्रात्.
उत्तमं. सम्पूर्णवाक्यं.
वयं रात्रिसमये नक्षत्रात् प्रकाशं प्राप्नुमः. We get light in the night from the nakshatras.
उत्तमं महोदय. सुकन्या महोदय.
भवान् विद्यालयात् गृहम् आगच्छति.
भवान्
विद्यालयात् आपणं गच्छति. भवान् विद्यालयात् आपणं गच्छतु.
सम्यक्. भवान् विद्यालयात् आपणं गच्छतु. अर्थः?
भवान् is you, विद्यालयम् is school. Apanam gachatu. Apanam, I'm not sure.
Shop.
Okay, shop. He goes to the shop.
No.
Gachatu goes to the shop from the Vidyalayam, the school.
So again,
Bhavan, you go to the shop from the school.
Satyam. Bhavan Vidyalayat Apanam Gachatu. You go from the school to the shop. Uttamam. Uttamam. So, Pruchatu.
Pratyagachati artham vadatu mahodaya.
Pratyagachati means returns.
Returns.
Mahodaya.
One second. Bhagya Mahodaya. Pratyagachati is returns. Is that clear?
Ami saha vidyalayat pratyagachati is.
Fine. He returns from the school. Nothing wrong. Chhatraha vidyalayat pratyagachati. He returns from the school.
Oh, dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Madhuri Mahodaya, you had a question?
Sumitra.
I saw Madhuri Mahodaya. Sumitra Mahodaya.
The pratyagachati, can I use it for to give back also? I return, you said return, right? It is coming back. That is the meaning. But can I use it to read?
No. Pratyagachati means coming back. Not return means comes. He goes someplace and comes back to that place.
So what is the word to give back or dadati?
Dadati.
Pratyadadati.
Aham na janami.
Okay.
Društva vadami. I will look it up and tell you.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
It could be punam dadati. Punaha dadati.
Punar dadati. No, he gives again. Punar dadati means he gives again. Punaha. Again. I will look it up and tell you.
So if I sorry, Mom. If I have to say I got the books from the library, I have to say aham grantalayat pustakam anayami.
Anayami, prapnomi, swikaromi. Satyam. So Napumsakalinga also has an equivalent question form. It's the same as Pumlinga form. Tasmat. Vanarah kasmat agacchati. Where does the monkey come from? Vanat, from the forest. Kasmat bijani prapnumaha. From where or what do we obtain seeds? Phalat, from the fruit. Balakah kasmat gruham gacchati. From where or from what does the boy go home? Kridangala, from the Kridangala. Prashna santi va?
Mother, upaharam gift kalu?
Upaharam is gift. Satyam.
Pratyupaharam is return gift or what?
Pratyupaharam prayah. Probably, possibly.
Madhubhai, what's the Striling question once again? Sorry. Kasmat and Kasmaha. Kasyaha.
Kasyaha. Ekavachane kasyaha.
Kasyaha. Kasmat.
Kasmat is Pumlinga and Napunsakalinga. Pumlinga ekavachana is kasyaha. Astu, abhyasam kurma. Anupama Mahoday.
Mahoday. Elephant drinks water from the pond. Gajaha pond is Tadaga. Yes.
Tadaga. Satyam.
Gajaha Tadagat Jalam Pipati.
Uttama. Gajaha Tadagat Jalam Pipati. Hemanti Mahoday.
Monkey jumps from the tree. Monkey. Vanaraha jumps. Kudati. Okay. When from the tree. Vanat. No. Vrukshat. Okay. Vanaraha Vrukshat Kudati. Kurdati.
Satyam. Vanaraha Vrukshat Kurdati. Uttama. Usha Mahoday.
Sumitra from Dasharathat Boon Prapnoti.
Varam
Prapnoti.
Sampurnam Vakyam.
Sumitra Dasharathat Varam Prapnoti.
Satyam. Sumitra Dasharathat Varam Prapnoti. Uttamam. Madhuri Mahoday.
Abhinandanah Paradeshat.
Pratyagachati. Uttama. Abhinandanah Shatrudeshat Pratyagachati. Paradesha means other country. We want to say enemy country here. So I hope everybody remembers the story of Abhinandana. So it happened recently, right? 2 years back.
Madhu, there is some background noise of wind or something.
If you are not speaking, please mute yourself. There's a lot of background. Astu. I hope everybody understood the reference to Abhinandana here. Whose turn is it? Narayanan Mahoday.
Lokayanam Ayodhyat
Ayodhya Akaranta Strilinga.
Akaranta Strilinga. अयोध्यायाः प्रत्यागच्छति आगच्छति आगच्छति
अस्तु अस्तु लोकयानम् अयोध्यायाः आगच्छति मीरा महोदय
सः खादति सः भोजनं खादति सः स्थालिकायाः भोजनं खादति
उत्तमं सः स्थालिकायाः भोजनं खादति अन्नं खादति सत्यं चैत्रा महोदय
I accept gift from female friend. I is aham. Accept swikaromi. Gift upaharam from female friend. Female friend is Sakhi. So from Sakhyaha.
उत्तमं सम्पूर्णं वाक्यम्
अहं सख्याः उपहारं स्वीकरोमि
उत्तमम् अहं सख्याः उपहारं स्वीकरोमि उत्तमं विराजमान
Rama accepts fruits from Shabari. Ramah Phalam
क्रियापदं करोतु कर्ता रामः क्रिया किम्
स्वीकरोति
स्वीकरोति कर्मपदं किम्
fruits then phalani
फलानि रामः फलानि स्वीकरोति
from Shabari so Shabariyaah रामः शबरीयाः फलानि स्वीकरोति
अत्र पश्यतु महोदय सखी सख्याः शबर्याः नाट् शबरीयाः शबर्याः रामः शबर्याः फलानि स्वीकरोति जननी जनन्याः नदी नद्याः नाट् नदीयाः और जननीयाः इति जनन्याः नद्याः श्रीविद्या महोदय
The plant goes from the seed. Sasyaha sasyam bijat udbhavati sasyam bijat udbhavati
सत्यं बीजात् उद्भवति सत्यं संदीप महोदय
So do the abhyas from the book. So do means karotu. It's an order. Agya karotu. The abhyas. So abhyasam from the book. Pustakat. So pustakat abhyasam karotu.
Bhavan bhavati.
That wasn't there. Pustakat.
You is not.
You can add it, or it's okay. It is not in the sentence, so you didn't translate it. That's fine. Yeah, even if you add it, the meaning doesn't change. The sentence doesn't. Pustakat abhyasam karotu. Satya. Uttamam. Sumitra Mahodaya.
Patient goes home from the hospital. Patient is Rugnaha. Rugnah Gruhat. Oh, no, sorry, not Gruhat. Goes to Chikitsalayat Gruham Gachati. Rugnah Chikitsalayat Gruham Gachati.
Satyam, Satyam. So the best way to avoid making mistakes is identify karta, immediately identify the kriya. Then the karma and the rest of it will fall into place. Astu. Rugnaha or Rugna Chikitsalayat Gruham Gachati. Satyam. Bhagya Mahoday.
Prime Minister, Mantri Mahodaya. Can I say it? Mantri Mahodaya. Pradhana Mantri.
Meera Mahodaya, please. Me, except for Bhagya Mahodaya, everybody else, please mute yourself.
Pradhana Mantri. Gets down avatarati.
Satyam. Pradhana Mantri avatarati. Anantaram.
Airplane. Vimana. Pradhana Mantri Vimanat avatarati.
Satyam. Satyam. Pradhana Mantri Vimanat avatarati. Uttam. Prashnaha santi va?
Mahodaya, patient goes home. Rugnaha Vaidyashalayaha Griham Gachati.
Vaidyashalayaha Griham Gachati. Vaidyashala is Strilinga, Akaranta Strilinga. Correct. Correct. But Chikitsalayam Napunsakalinga. So Chikitsalaya. Both are correct.
Dhanyavada.
Anyah Prashnaha asti va? Any other question? Astu. Subhashitam kurmaha. Who has not done the Subhashitam so far? Who wants to do? If you haven't done it so far, if you've already done it, please give others a chance. Who hasn't done it?
I have not done.
I was.
Ramu and Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Astu. Ramu Mahodaya Prathamam.
Okay. Nasti Ganga Samam Tirtham Nasti Matra Samo Guruhu.
Nasti Ganga
Samam Tirtham. There is no Tirtha as equivalent to Ganga. There is no Guru as more than mother. Equivalent to the mother.
Equivalent to mother. Samam. Samaha. So, Nasti Matru Samaha.
Samo Guru.
Because of Sandhi, Samaha.
Sama becomes Samo.
Nasti Ganga Samam Tirtham. Nasti
Matru Samo Guruhu.
There is no equivalent Tirtham to Ganga, and there is no equivalent to a Guru as a mother. Uttama. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Nasti Vishnu Samo Devo. Nasti Ramayanat Param. So, amongst the gods, Vishnu. No?
I mean, what you're saying is correct, but that's a generic meaning.
Okay. So no god equivalent to Vishnu. Nasti Ramayanat Param. It doesn't say among scriptures, but nothing greater than Ramayana.
Nasti Ramayanat.
From Ramayana.
Apart from Ramayana.
Apart from Ramayana. Okay.
From Ramayana or apart from Ramayana. Param means something greater than. So Nasti Vishnu Samaha Devaha. So there is no equivalent to Vishnu. There is no Devaha who is equivalent to Vishnu or same as Vishnu. And from Ramayana or apart from Ramayana, there is nothing greater.
Yeah,
So
then yeah.
among Tirthas, Ganga is, there is nothing equivalent to it. I mean, there is nothing equivalent to Ganga in Tirtham. No Guru same as Mother. No Deva same as Vishnu. And there is nothing greater than Ramayana. Satya. Any questions on the Subhashitam? Okay. So let us do something fun today. Let us read a story. Can everybody see my screen with the boy sleeping?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let us see, where did we stop? Bhavani Mahodaya. Please read the first sentence.
Can I read the title also?
Astu, Karoti, Patatu.
Adhuna saha alasaha na asti. Eshaha ekaha.
Ekam means. Adhuna means what?
Adhuna.
So, Arthaha kaha? Adhuna.
Is today?
Today or right now? Idani.
Right now.
Adhuna means now. Now, right now, today, Idani.
Okay. Saha is he. Alasaha.
Lazy.
Lazy. Okay. Na asti.
So,
no.
Title, what is the Artha of the title?
Right now, he is
not lazy. He's not lazy anymore. Or now
he's not lazy. Okay. He's not lazy.
Astu, Patatu.
Eshaha ekaha balaha.
Arthaha?
There is one boy.
There. This is one boy.
This is one boy. Okay.
Prashant Mahodaya. Prashant Mahodaya अस्ति वा? अस्तु, सुरेन्द्र महोदय.
एषः अतीव अलसः.
अर्थः?
He is very lazy.
He is very lazy. Satyam. Ativa, very much.
Very much.
Sukanya Mahodaya.
एषः प्रतिदिनं विद्यालयं न गच्छति. Every day this boy does not go to school.
Satyam, Satyam.
धन्यवाद.
माधुरी महोदय.
एषः अत्र तत्र भ्रमति. Wanders here and there.
He wanders here and there. Satyam. Rachna Mahodaya.
सः सः किमपि कार्यं न करोति. He doesn't do any work.
किमपि कार्यं. No work. Kim api. Karyam. So no work. He does no work. Satyam. Satyam. Harsha Mahodaya.
Sa udyanam gacchati. He is going to park.
He goes to the park or he is going to the park. Ranjini Mahoday. Ranjini Mahoday अस्ति वा? नास्ति. रमेश महोदय.
सः क्रीडनम् इच्छति. He likes to play.
He likes playing. सः क्रीडनम् इच्छति. He likes playing.
Playing.
संदीप महोदय.
ओके. तत्र अन्य बालकाः न सन्ति.
एतत् पुनः पठतु.
तत्र अन्ये बालकाः न सन्ति. There other children are not there.
There are no other children there.
There are no other children.
Satyam. I hope everybody got a turn. If anybody has not got a turn, tell me. Vijay, no, you are number one, Vijay Sundara Mahodaya. So before you, did everybody get a chance?
Mahodaya, I didn't get a chance. For the story, right?
You're number 4, Mahodaya.
Okay.
Vijay Sundara Mahodaya.
You have to unmute Vijay Sundara.
सः एकं मयूरं पश्यति. He saw one peacock.
Saw वा पश्यति.
Pashyati.
Pashyati is meaning. What is the meaning of pashyati?
Seeing.
He sees. Not saw. Not bhutakala.
Okay. He sees a peacock.
Satyam. Kavita Mahoday.
मयूरं पृच्छति किं त्वं क्रीडनम् इच्छसि? Peacock asks.
मयूरं पृच्छति. मयूरः कर्ता. मयूरं.
He asks peacock. Do you like to play?
किं त्वं क्रीडनम् इच्छसि? So we saw another form of the same question. Va. Tvam kridanam ichchasi va. So kim is also used as a equivalent of va. So kim, tvam. We didn't see tvam, but tvam is you. So when we use tvam, we have to say ichchasi, not ichchati. So we will cover this in HP chapter. So, kim tvam kridanam ichchasi? Do you want to play or do you like to play?
Like to play. Mayuraha.
Any questions about this sentence? I know a couple of new concepts are introduced here. Any questions?
Kim is avyavani va, Mahodaya?
Kim is equivalent of va. Bhavan khadati va, bhavan kridati va, or bhavan kridati kim. It's the same thing.
Avyayam va?
Avyayam.
Mahodaya, Kridanam is to play.
To play. Kridanam is to play. Satyam.
Ichchasi is Pradama Purusha, or what? Mahodaya, Ichchasi Pradama Purusha, va?
Madhyama Purusha.
Madhya Purusha.
Prathama Purusha अस्ति चेत् इच्छति.
Ichchati. Ichchami and ichchati.
Prathama Purusha. We saw ichchami, we saw ichchati, we didn't see ichchati. We will cover it.
Astu.
Rama Mahodaya. Rama Mahodaya. रामु महोदय नास्ति वा? अस्तु, अनुपमा महोदय।
मयूरः कथयति बहु कार्यम् अस्ति अतः अहं न इच्छामि. So Mayura says, I have a lot of work. I don't like to play.
Ataha.
I don't want to play. Okay. Ataha.
Ataha is a new word. Therefore.
Therefore, I don't want to play.
Therefore, I don't like to.
Like to play.
Mayuraha kathayati. Mayura says, Bahu karyam asti. There is a lot of work. Ataha. Ataha means therefore.
Yes.
Aham na ichchami. I don't like to play. I don't like, but to play is implied. Any questions here?
Kathayati.
Narayanan Mahodaya, vadatu.
Mayuraha vadati.
Vadati also we can say. Kathayati vadati.
Kathayati explains the word, Mahodaya.
Here it is used in the sense of vadati.
Vadati. Astu.
एक प्रश्नम् अस्ति महोदय, अन्ये किमर्थं तत्र अन्ये बालकाः?
Other children.
Why अन्ये form there? अन्यः is it?
Balakaha. Balakaha. Bahuvachanam.
Or is it because of tatra?
No.
Directional. Saptami.
Because of balaka.
No. It applies to balakaha. I will look it up and tell you, Mahodaya.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
अस्तु. नारायणन् महोदय.
सः एकं कुक्कुरं पृच्छति, किं त्वं क्रीडनम् इच्छसि? सः कुक्कुरं must be hen or pृच्छति. He asked a hen. He asks one hen.
Dog. Dog. I think kukkura is dog, right?
Kukkuraha. Okay.
Kukkuti is hen.
Kukkutaha is hen.
Kukkutaha is hen. Kukkuraha. Okay. Kukkuraha is
dog.
Swana. Dog. So he asks a dog, Kim Tom Kridanam Ichasi. Ichasi. Would you like to play with me?
Would you like to play?
Would you like to play?
Or do you like playing?
Do you okay?
Meera Mahodaya.
कुक्कुरः कथयति अहं न इच्छामि, कार्यम् अस्ति. The dog says, I don't desire to play. I have work.
Satya. Astu. Chaitra Mahodaya.
एवमेव सः शुकं काकं चटकं गदर्भम् अश्वं च पृच्छति.
एतत् पुनः पठतु.
गदर्भं गदर्भः सो गर्दभम्. So Gardhabam is a donkey.
Etat punah patatu.
Evameva.
Not evameva.
Evameva. Likewise.
Likewise or like this.
Like this. So he Pruchati asks. Shukam. Shukam is a parrot. Kakam a crow, Chatakam a sparrow, And yeah, that's a donkey. Ashwam, a horse. And pruchati, so cha is and a horse. He asks all these creatures.
Correct. Likewise or similarly, he asks the parrot, crow, etc., the same question. Astu. Viraj Mohanday.
सर्वे कथयन्ति वयं व्यवस्थाः स्मः व्यस्ताः सर्वे कथयन्ति वयं व्यस्ताः स्मः
सर्वे
everybody answers vayam we all vyastah busy smaha maybe
asmi bahuvachanam smaha
yeah
did we study asmi?
No
Okay. We are. Asmi means I am, smaha means we are.
Asmi saha santi.
No, asti saha santi. Asmi swaha smaha. Smaha means we are. Vayam smaha. Aham asmi. So if it was aham, it would have been aham vyastaha asmi. But since everybody is saying there, it will be vayam vyastaha smaha. Astu, we will study this.
Bhanu Mahodaya, Vyastaha is what? Busy.
Busy.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Hemanti Mahodaya.
Smaha is present continuous, Mahodaya.
We are
present continuous.
Asti is, but when we want to use it for we, it will be smaha. Asti means it is, smaha means
अनेकानि कार्याणि सन्ति वयं न क्रीडामः अनेकानि कार्याणि so lot of work is there we are not playing
we cannot play or satya
yeah
we don't want to play in that sense astu Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Vijay Menon Mahodaya अस्ति वा अस्तु सुमित्रा महोदय
You said Sumitra or Chaitra?
Sumitra. Did I say Sumitra?
Okay. Yes. Sorry.
Atra.
Pipilika api na kridati. That means the ant also didn't play.
Does not play.
Does not play.
Etat api patatu.
Saha balah chintayati sarve vyastaha santi. That means the boy thinks that everyone are busy. So
everybody is busy. Bhavani Mahodaya.
Sorry.
Sarve kim api karyam kurvanti. Sarve all karyam kurvanti is work. Kim api
something or the other. Kim api something.
Everybody, I mean, survey all have some work or the other.
All are doing some work.
All are doing some work or the other.
Okay. Surendra Mahodaya.
केवलम अहम एव कार्यम न करोमि. Only I do not do any work.
Satyam. Kevalam means only.
Only.
That's new word. Aham, I am, I. Eva, only. Karyam na karomi. Karyam na karomi, we have seen. So only I am not doing anything. Kevalam means just. Only just I am not doing anything. Usha Mahoday.
Aduna aham api vyastaha bhavami. Karyam karomi. Alasaha na bhavami. So aduna is like now. Aham, I also. Vyastaha is busy. So I will also be busy.
Become busy. Bhavami is become.
Become busy. Karyam karomi, do work. Alasaha na bhavami, won't be lazy.
I will, Satya. So now even I
busy.
I will also be busy. I will do some work. I will not be lazy. Satya. Srividya Mahoday.
What is this? Bhavami?
I will become Bhavami. Bhavati means it becomes something else. Okay. Bhavami, I become. I will become busy. Okay. I will not become lazy, or I will not be lazy.
Saha griham agachati.
This one also.
He comes back home. Comes home. Saha vyastaha bhavati. He becomes busy.
No, read this also. We are running out of time.
Saha patati pratidinam vidyalayam gacchati grihakaryam api karoti. He reads. He goes to school daily. He does the homework. He also does the homework.
Satyam. Read this one also.
Sayankale kridati dugdam pipati punaha patati ashtavadane bhojanam karoti udyani bramati. He plays in the evening, drinks milk, again reads. At 8 o'clock, he eats food. Udyane, he roams in the garden.
Satyam, Uttamam. Sukanya Mahoday. Read these two sentences.
From Pratah Shrigram. No, Dashavadane Shayanam Karoti, sleeps at 10 o'clock. He sleeps at 10 o'clock. Pratah Shighram Uttishtati, gets up early in the morning. Saha Uttamaha Balaha Bhavati, he becomes a good boy.
Astu. Wait.
Sorry, Shama.
Rachna Mahoday, finish the last part.
Yes. Saha aduna alasaha nasti. He henceforth, like he from now is not lazy. Mata prasanna bhavati. Mother is happy. Pita api prasannaha bhavati. Father is also happy.
Father becomes happy. Mata prasanna bhavati. Mother
becomes happy. Father also becomes happy.
Satya.
Anu Mahoday, why is it prasanna and prasannaha? Like the verb is different because of Mata Pita.
Satya. It's we will see why it is so in the future class. It's called Visheshana Vishesha Bhavam. An adjective has to follow the noun. I will explain it in a future. Astu. Any other questions? Astu. Samapayamaha. Let us stop here.
Bhanu Mahoday, can I say the prayer next class?
Astu. Karot. Astu. We will do the Mangala Shloka. Please mute yourself. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.